Hello guys, how you doing today? Welcome back to Key to the Point TV. How you doing today? Hope you're okay. In today's video, I want to show you how to do your ICE Network Step2 KYC Verification. Alright, so if you are coming across this video for the first time, please, I would like and encourage you to subscribe to this channel and also share this video, comment and like. Alright, like, share and comment on this video so that it can go far. So if you are watching this video on our Facebook page, please don't forget to follow this page. All right, share this video to reach more people, like and comment on this video. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today.
It's from us. Thank you. So the first thing you need to do is you open your ICE app, which is what you are seeing here. Let me go back. You open your ICE app, ICE. All right, so you can see that I'm due for KYC step 2. So all you need to do is to click on continue. All right, click on continue down here. When you click on continue, just follow this video step by step so that you know how to do it. So all we need to do is I'll copy this text, copy the text down here, so I've copied mine right now. Okay, so find the pin post, which is open X and search for ICE blockchain account, which is Twitter, your Twitter account. Then find the pin post, which is the first post on the profile. Like, repost it with quotes using the exact text below. Verify my account ICE blockchain with nickname Mr. Pedro. Okay, all right, so let's head down to my Twitter account, which is X account, which is my Twitter account. Open it and hold on while it's loading. Then from here you will search for ICE. All right, come down here and search for ICE. All right, search for ICE network, ICE, ICE. So you can see it popping up here. I'm taking time to do this video so I really understand. All right, ICE decentralized. So you click on it. Now you look for the pin post. All what you need to do is to like, which is what I'm going to do here. This is the like icon. Like, all right. Then repost. I think this is repost. Okay. So if I click on it now to show repost. Then what else? Let's go back. Like, repost with the quote using the exact text below. So let's check. You also tap on the retweet again, this repost icon again. Now you click on quotes. All right, so here it is. After clicking on quotes, you now paste the right up, which you copy. Let me go paste the right up. All right, so let me go back so I really understand what I'm trying to say. Remember, they asked you to copy a text here, this place. So that is the text that I'm posting right here. All right, so after that you click on repost. So you can see your post was sent. All right, so now you go up, go back to my profile, click on your X profile, click on profile. All right, now you come down to the post which you make. All right, 25 seconds. This is the post. So you copy, you click on this icon, this share icon. When you click on it, you copy the text. All right, make sure you copy the text. Then you head back to your ICE account. Then click on continue down here. Click continue. Then they ask, do you like the pin post and repost it with a quote using the exact text provided as in the example? You click on confirm. Alright, confirm. Now post the link of your post. Alright, let me go back so that you understand. This is your profile. A lot of you will be asking question, how am I going to get the post? You go to your X profile after reposting, and click on it. You click on your profile. Alright, click on your profile. Now you scroll down to where you see this your post. Alright, now go down. Now click on this place, alright, to copy. Click on this share icon to copy. Share, copy. Now head back to your ICE. Now post, paste it there. Alright, now click on verify down here. Click on verify down here. Hope you understand me. Verify. Okay, they're asking you to wait for them to verify it. So you can see KYC verification successful, verification completed. Okay, so guys, that is how it is. That is how to do your ICE KYC. All right, so it's pretty simple, pretty simple. Okay, so if I click on continue now to take me back to my ICE account, you can see my ICE is working again. So guys, that is it. Please, if you are coming across a video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, comment, share this video so that it will reach people that are in need of this type of video. All right, so please do that. Thank you, and see you next time.